Yes, it's me, Miss Francis. I'm back again. Last week I dived into one of my favorite products, which is body scrubs. Like a jar of body scrubs will last me a good week. You know, every 2 days I just have to exfoliate, especially my back. I just love how that feels. I really like a good scrub. Yes, and every 2 days might be too much. I hear you guys, but I love it. My skin can handle it, and that's what matters. All right, okay. But I hear you. So I say, you know what? Before I dive into the next best product for me, which is body oils and facial oils, or like I like to call it at Kylex Naturals, facial elixirs. You know, just make it all fancy. I said, let's do some research. What do you guys think? Let's just do some research on oils for different skin types before we even start to formulate a facial oil, or a facial elixir as I like to call it here at Kylex Naturals, or a body oil. Let's do that. Right? Yeah, I think so. Let's do that. Okay, so one thing we do know for sure now is that oils are great for all skin types, more so oily and acne prone skin. However, if you have bought the wrong facial oil, this could cause some serious skin problems and concerns. These facial oils can betray you. So let's get some information on what we should look for in our facial elixirs slash facial oils. Now I have my notes. You know, I don't play with my notes. I have pages and pages. Yeah, I know. I'm gonna try and keep it short though. Don't worry. I'm gonna try. All plant contains fats and oils in their seeds. So these are rich in antioxidants, nutrients, minerals, and vitamins that enrich and heal the skin when applied by rebuilding and sustaining the skin outer lipid barriers. Called mineral oil in the ingredients listing of a lot of body oil products or facial oil products out there. However, companies use these oils as it is cheaper and easier to obtain. Keep a note, if you're buying a natural blend, to see mineral oil in the listing, or you don't want to see it high up in the listing. So if you know you're going to spend your coins on a nice facial oil or body oil, natural body oil, you don't want to see mineral oil in the listing. Is essential oils. Now essential oils are used for their fragrances, their smell, which add luxury to your facial oil. Yes, they do. However, if you're going to use common ones like lavender or citrus essential oils, they can be phototoxic and they can cause irritation when exposed to the sun. So you're going to have to put a disclaimer or let clients or customers know that they're going to need to wear a sunscreen, right? Or what I do here, when I'm formulating facial oils and I want to use an essential oil, I tend to stay within the dermal limit or the recommended limit, and I tend to go a little under that. So if it says 1%, for most essential oils tell you use at 1%, I'll use 8, I'll use 7, where I still get the benefits I need, I still get the smell or the fragrance I need, but it's safer. So that is how I would use something like that. But please check your dermal limits and your safety data sheet when you buy from manufacturers these essential oils. Okay, with that information in mind, let's move on to oils for skin types and skin problems. All right. Oily acne prone skin. How do you know? It will have blackheads, blemishes, large pores, excessively shiny. A nice healthy glow is fine. We said excessively shiny. So this skin type, oily skin, needs oils high in leolinic acid. I hope I pronounced that right. Because it's thin in consistency, it does not sit on top of the skin and is easily absorbed. Studies have shown that oily skin lacks linolenic acid, which causes the skin to produce sebum. So by using facial oils and facial products that has oils high in linoleic acid, this will cause the skin to balance out and cause fewer blemishes. So here are a few oils for oily skin. We're going to start with evening primrose. Evening primrose is antioxidant rich, Contains vitamin C and E, mild cholinergic, and very good for inflammation on the skin. Apricot seed oil, light, non-clogging, and lots of vitamin E in it. Grapeseed oil has antimicrobial effects on the skin, can cause the skin to dry out a little, and is great for lowering inflammation. Passion fruit oil, not heavy at all, very light and nourishing, and is good for under eyes. Tea tree oil has disinfectant properties and kill bacteria, which helps slow down blemishes from reoccurring. Dry skin can be rough, scaly, flaky, and dehydrated. This skin type needs oils rich in oleic acid, which means they are going to be richer and good for sealing in moisture. Camellia oil, super rich in antioxidants. Safflower oil, it contains ceramides and helps the skin retains water. Sunflower oil, rich in vitamin E and helps the skin to build its skin's barrier, which protects the skin from environmental damage. Sweet almond oil, very moisturizing. It helps the skin cleans out its pores. It also protects the skin from sun damage. Mature skin can appear dull, dry, have fine lines and wrinkles. Mature skin needs oils high in antioxidants for aging and high in oleic acid. My favorite, rosehip oil, a natural form of vitamin E. Jojoba oil absorbs easily as it is the closest to the oils found naturally in our skin. Argan oil helps with new cell growth and cell turnover. It is also very moisturizing and helps with sun protection. Another favorite is marula oil. It's found in South Africa and is a powerhouse full of antioxidants. It is a bit on the heavy side, but it still absorbs well and very moisturizing for your skin. Sensitive skin. Stings could be quite itchy and easy to get red. I have 3 oils on my list for the skin type. Chia seed oil, amazing superfood for your skin, and it has 7 times the vitamin C of an orange. Sea buckthorn oil, soothing and calming, used to heal burned skin, has the important omegas, also antioxidant rich. Avocado oil, it is a heavier oil, but it's great for dry skin and it's very soothing, calming, and healing for sensitive skin. So let's keep in mind that plant seed oils are not cheap. That's just a side note I wanted to put out there. Organic cold press oils are pricey. So when buying a facial oil, you're paying for the quality. However, if you are buying a luxurious or a high-end brand or a natural facial oil or facial elixir, do check your ingredients listing, because you don't want to see, or you should not see, mineral oils, silicones, and fillers. So how you want to use a facial oil or a facial elixir, what I tend to do and what I prefer, and because it's such a pricey thing that comes in such a tiny bottle, you don't want to waste it. You don't want to spend up coins for a facial or a facial elixir and then waste it. So what I tell clients or customers here at Kylex Naturals is that put a drop or 2 with your moisturizer in hand, mix that together and apply it that way to the face. So it goes in with your moisturizer, it sinks in, and it penetrates deeper within the skin that way. You can put your facial oil or your facial elixir last and let that seal in everything else while it takes its time and absorbed within the skin. Love to know how you guys put it on. Do leave a comment below, and our next video we should get busy on making a facial elixir.